You might think it's hard to set up a personalized alarm sound, but it's actually quite simple on your Galaxy A55. Let's walk through how you can customize your alarm for a more pleasant start to your day. First, open the app drawer and locate the Clock app. Once inside, make sure you're in the Alarm section, then tap on the specific alarm you'd like to modify. On the next screen, tap Alarm Sound and ensure the switch next to it is enabled. If you'd like Bixby to give you updates, such as the current time and weather forecast, tap Bixby Alarm. If you'd prefer waking up to your favorite music, select Spotify or another music app that you use and choose your preferred track. To stick with default tones, tap Ringtone and choose from the available options. If you want to adjust the volume, simply drag the slider at the bottom of the screen, move it to the right for a louder sound, or to the left to make it quieter. This process can be repeated for other alarms if you want to customize multiple ones. In addition to the sound, you can enable vibration to go off with the alarm. To do this, go back to the previous screen and tap the switch next to vibration. You can also enable snooze and adjust the interval for a few extra minutes of rest before the alarm goes off again. That's it. Now you're all set for a more customized wake-up experience. I hope this video can help you. And please share the love by liking the video and subscribing to my channel. Thanks for tuning in.